We have the truck loaded up. We are headed over to a buddy's shop. Going to be doing a underbed Cnotch on a 21 Ford F-150. Cut to that, how to install a underbed Cnotch. We're doing a DGM 5.7 drop. We're putting one of our Carport Customs Cnotches, underbed Cnotches. This is a bolt-in Cnotch. As you can see, it's only about 2.5, maybe 3 inches worth of clearance for your axle. This is the one that we build. It actually gives you 5.5 inches of drop. You take and put 2x2 square tubing, weld it to the top of the frame, and weld the C-notches to the outside. So what we'll be doing here, welding the C-notch to the top of the frame, welding it all the way around. And you put your plate on the side, get it marked out, find the center of our axle and everything. We have to mark out 2x2 square tubing profile of our C-knot. And you need 2 of them, one for each side. We don't plate the inside of the frame with the underbed C-notch. And yes, it will still be able to tow. This is 1/4 inch thick plate, and this is 2x2 1/4 inch thick. It'll hold it up. Alright, so got to find the center of the 2x3 tubing, then put it on our center mark that we made for the center of the axle on the frame, and then weld it out. Alright, so after you weld your 2x2 square tubing to the top, you come in and you weld your C plate on the outside, weld it all the way around, and then now that we have that done, we will cut out the centerpiece, tie the C-notch plate into the 2x2 square tubing, and then we have plates that go here and here that tie it in, and you're C-notched. On the Fords, you don't have to, but most trucks have a rib under the bed that sits on the factory frame right here. You have to notch it out 2 inches. But actually on this 2021 F-150, the rib sits here and here. So we won't have to cut anything out on that. Oh, we'll get this one cut out. Start on that side. So at the end of the day, this is what it looks like. And if you're wondering, yes, you can still tow. The metal we put on this thing is thicker than the metal from the factory. Your bed rails are gonna sit, bed braces will sit here and here. Keep it all underneath the bed, don't have to cut anything out.